called How to Take a Cat for a Walk. Are you taking baby Miss Gidget for a walk? But she's not going very far, is she? There she comes. Here, should we shorten up the leash so that she doesn't have such a long distance? There.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's okay. Bring her over here. Come on, Gidge. Come on. Okay, let her go that way. Go with her. Come on, Gidge. You can do it. But is she not doing anything very fun? Okay, here she goes. Do you want me to loosen it? Here. There we go. Cats are weird. They just kind of lie down wherever they want to. And Miss Bailey's continuing to walk. And Gidget's lying down on the job. Bailey, can you say bye-bye?